Hello my friends. Before installing any Python library, there is one thing every developer should know: virtual environments. So in this video of Joystick, I'll show you how to create and use a virtual environment in Python on Windows 11 step by step, the simple way. First thing that we are going to do is to confirm if Python is installed correctly. To do that, you are going to click on the Windows icon and then type cmd in the search bar and then click on the command prompt. Once the command prompt opens, you are going to type Python space -- version. Hit enter. If you see a version of Python over here, and that should be some version of Python 3, like I have Python 3.14.0 over here. But if you get some kind of error like Python is not recognized, that means you don't have Python installed. So if you don't have Python installed, then you must install it before creating a virtual environment. And you can do so by watching this video in the I button. Let's create a project folder where our virtual environment will live. I am going to create that folder in my desktop, but you can choose to create it wherever you want. So using the mkdir command, I am going to create a folder called my project. Hit enter. You can see a my_project folder created on my desktop. Now we are going to go inside this folder using the cd command. Here we are going to create a virtual environment using Python's built-in venv module. The command is going to be python space -m venv and the name of the virtual environment. Let's call it my_venv. Hit enter. If this command doesn't throw any error, that means virtual environment is successfully created. Great, no error. You can see that this command has created a folder called my_venv that holds an isolated Python environment. Now, I am going to tell you how to start using this virtual environment. To do that, we need to activate it. The command is very simple. It will be my_venv, that means the name of the virtual environment, /scripts, that's with capital S, /activate. Hit enter and you can see the virtual environment has become active. The name of the virtual environment appearing within brackets at the beginning of the command prompt indicates that this virtual environment is active. Now let's verify which Python this environment is using. So to do that, we are going to write where space Python. Hit enter. You can see that it says that Python is running from the virtual environment folder. Now you can install any library you want within a virtual environment. But when you are done, you can deactivate this virtual environment by simply typing deactivate and hitting enter. This takes you back to the system Python. And with this, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed learning how to install virtual environment on Windows 11 from this video of Joystick. In all my library installation videos, I install libraries inside a virtual environment only. So make sure you are comfortable with this step. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take very good care of yourself.